Good morning. So I'm just about to leave my campsite. I was thinking about heading to Bilbao because it's only about an hour and a half away. However, I just don't fancy driving into a big city, having to park. So I'm going to go to the next city up, which is San Sebastian, which is meant to be a really nice city too. And it's a bit smaller, will be easier to park, a bit more relaxed atmosphere because I just don't feel like going into a big city. Heading to San Sebastian now, I think it's about 2 hours drive away. So I've arrived in San Sebastian, parked up about 20 minutes I think from the old town centre, so I'm going to take a nice little stroll in. The weather seems to be holding up, so let's go and explore. It's a really stunning beach, just lines this whole area of the city. I'm just heading into the old town now, which is about a 20-minute walk. So I'm just back at the van now, finished in San Sebastian. Really nice city actually, really cool old town, beautiful streets and architecture. And now I'm going to head to my campsite, which is actually in France. So crossing another border, not too far away, about an hour and 20 minutes, and then I should be about an hour away from Bordeaux for tomorrow. So let's hit the road and get into France. Just crossed the border into France, an hour away from my campsite after taking the wrong toll road, so back on the right one now. Just got to my campsite, really nice campsite. It's on like a little family campsite, just on a farm, really beautiful, €10, really calm, and I'm going to try and make some pancakes. Loads of wild rabbits here, so I've got my camera out. I'm going to try and get some photos of them. It's getting dark though, so it's pretty difficult to take photos. So I've just pulled over for some lunch and near a little village at this little picnic area now, and I've picked up a croissant from a boulangerie because I thought, you know, I'm back in France, need to carry on the tradition of eating croissants. So going to eat that, we'll give you a review. It feels quite a full circle moment actually, because I've got 5 days left, and like on the first few days of my trip I was just stopping at little villages and buying croissants. Great size, bit of charring on the bottom. I'm actually going to have some butter on this. Okay, this is great content. This is what will come to my YouTube channel to see. Oh well. good. They just know how to make them here, don't they? Bloody lovely. So, had a slight change of plan. I was going to go to Bordeaux. However, again, like Bilbao yesterday, I just didn't want to go into a big city. Driving into a big city, all hustle and bustle, I prefer to be in nature. So just south of Bordeaux, there's a natural regional park. I'll put the name of it on the screen. It's nothing like spectacular, but it's in nature. Big forests, pine forests, really nice so far. So yeah, just driven in, pulled over here for lunch. In the forest, little picnic area, and then there's a nature reserve which I'm going to go and explore this afternoon. And I've just seen a really interesting bird. I'm not sure what it is, but I think it's maybe some kind of woodpecker. It had a really long beak and it was orange. It had like a little thing on its head here. I managed to get an okay photo of it, but I was messing around with my camera and it's just it flew off, but it might come back. I think that was just kind of a bit of a reminder of why I came to these areas. I do enjoy seeing different wildlife that you wouldn't normally see in its natural habitat, which is really cool. Kind of consolidated why I'd come away from the city into the nature. So yeah, just a road up there, and then vans here in the shade, picnic table. Seems to be some kind of cycle path or some route up there. Pretty nice. Right, lunch done. Getting really hot now, about 30 odd degrees. Gonna head to the nature reserve thing. I think it's about half an hour away, so yeah, just need to clean up this. So I've basically walked about 2 minutes from the car park, found a bench and had a nap. There's a little beach area here. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Really nice and relaxing under the trees. Good morning. So I woke up really early, which was really good actually. I got quite a lot done this morning, done some stuff on my laptop, read my book, done some journaling. Really enjoyed waking up early, sound of the birds. It's about 10 o'clock now, and I'm gonna head to a bakery, get some bread, and then work out where I'm gonna end up today. And I think I'm just gonna do a lot of driving and head towards Caen and Le Havre, so Normandy way. So yesterday I just did a lot of driving, to be honest. Got to my campsite and had a run in the evening and then just chilled out. Today I'm heading even further north to the city of Caen. I think it's pronounced K-A-E-N. Gonna explore the city a little bit. Good morning. So I came to the coast last night, about 30 minutes from Caen. I'm going to head back into the city today, just to upload a YouTube video, go to a cafe, and I also want to return a bit of clothing that I bought. So let's go do that. It is home time. Getting the Eurotunnel. It's about 7 o'clock. Eurotunnel's at 10. "12 minutes away from the Eurotunnel. Train's at 10:30, 20 past 10, so getting there quite early. Might be able to get the earlier departure. So I've managed to check in early, and I'm on an earlier train home. Cut like hour and a half earlier, which is wicked. So yeah, I think we're leaving fairly soon, but current view, I'm having absolute flashbacks to boarding the Eurotunnel back in March. And we're off. It's quite exciting. I'm in the UK. 30 minutes from here.
I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, let her ties in the hearse. I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to